So there are many who still have passion, but for whatever reason have not gone to the extent of starting a business. So what would you say? How should they start? What are the first few steps one should take to start this journey?
I think the very first step has already begun when you start thinking about it, because that's something that is totally self driven.
Oh,
And if that thought is coming, then please go ahead. At least give it a shot, give it a try. Don't just leave it there. If you think you have the passion for it, you will be able to take out dedicated time for it. It's not just about the passion, but it's also about how much value in terms of the time, resources, and energy you want to place in that work. Because if you're giving your 100%, I think there's no stopping you. There will be temporary failures, there will be moments of great success, and maybe sometimes very early and quick successes, which might fizzle off and you'll be totally disillusioned. But that is not a benchmark to stop. But that is your learning process, and that's the learning curve. So please go ahead and do it. But also, I think nowadays it should not be so tough, because we have lot of stuff available on YouTube, on social media, in terms of the guidance. So your so many podcasts are there. You can read the journey, and there's so many good books. So you can go through those books and you can read them. You can check on the YouTube in terms of the steps to begin a new business. So I think there's enough knowledge available and information also available. You just need to give it a start.